Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of m if we have 5 to the power of m minus 3 to the power of m is equals to 544, and we solve this problem for all the values of m. So here we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. So here we solve this problem for a reverse engineering method. The method which I can apply here, it is called the reverse engineering method, and this is the very unique solution. I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now here we move toward the solution of this problem, and here in this question we will just take the base of this term is equals to a, that is a equals to 5, and the base of this term is equals to b, so it is equals to 3. And here further we need to take a scaling on both of these two terms, and when we apply scaling on this term, it will becomes a square equals to 25, because 5 square becomes 25. And in the same pattern, when we apply the square on b, so b square, and here we have 3 square, and 3 square becomes 9. So we call this is equation number 1, and this is our equation number 2. And now here we need to back substitute these two values of a and b into the given question statement. So when we put these two values here, it will be written as a to the power of m minus b to the power of m is equals to 544, and we call this is our equation number 3. And now here further in the next step we need to sum up equation number 1 and equation number 2. So when we add these two equations, it will be written as a square plus b square equals to 25 plus 9, and 25 plus 9 becomes here 34, and here we call this is the equation number 4. And similarly in the same pattern, here we need to subtract equation number 1 and 2. So when we subtract both of these two equations, so it will be written as a square minus b square equals to 25 minus 9, and we know about that 25 minus 9 is equals to 16. Okay, and we call this is our equation number 5. So here we need to focus on equation number 3. So this is our equation number 3, and its right hand side is 54. So we just write or we find the prime factors of 554. So here we find the prime factors of this term in this method. Okay, so here first we need to divide it by 2, and we get 2 2s are 4, and we carry 1, 2 7s are 14, and 2 2s are 4. We again divide it by 2, and we get 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12. So we again divide it by 2, 2 6s are 12, we carry 1, and 2 8s are 16. So 2 3s are 6, and 2 4s are 8, and 2 1s are 2, and we carry 1, and 2 7s are 14. So here we just divide it by 17, so we get here 17 1s are 17. Okay, so here we get the prime factors of 544 are, so here you see that 1 2 3 4 and 5, these are 2 is multiplied by 5 times, we write it as 2 to the power of 5, and it is multiplied by the 17. Okay, so further in the next step, we break this 2 to the power of 5 as, we write it as 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1. So when you add these two exponents, it will again becomes 5, and it is multiplied by 17. So here you know about that 2 to the power of 4 equals to 16, and 2 times 17 equals to 34. So here we write 544 equals to 16 multiplied by 34. So here we put this value into the equation number 3. So here we need equation number 3, or in other words, equation number 3 is implies that we just copy down equation number 3 here. It is a to the power of m minus b to the power of m equals to 544. So here we replace the value 544 here, and it will be written as 16 multiplied by 34. And here we use equation number 4 and equation number 5. Okay, so here using 4 and 5. So you see here the equation number 4 is a square plus b square equals to 34, and equation number 5 is a square minus b square equals to 16. So when you put both of these two values here, it will be written as a to the power of m minus b to the power of m is equals to 16 is equals to a square minus b square, and 34 is equals to a square plus b square. So here you see that this is the very famous algebraic formula, and when we combine these two terms, it will be written as a square and its whole square minus b square and its whole square. So this will be written as a to the power of 4 minus b to the power of 4, and in the left hand side we have a to the power of m minus b to the power of m. So further in the next step, we need to compare both of the sides, and when we compare both of the sides, we will be written as a to the power of m equals to a to the power of 4, and b to the power of m equals to b to the power of 4. So from both of these two cases, we will be easily get the value of m is equals to 4. So this is the only one root of the given equation, and now here in the next step we need to verify that is this value of m is the solution, or is this value of m be the extraneous root. So for verification, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is 5 to the power of m minus 3 to the power of m equals to 544. So here we substitute the value of m into the left hand side, and we check that is this satisfied or not. So when you put it here, it will becomes 5 to the power of 4 minus 3 to the power of 4 is equals to 544. So here you clearly see that 5 to the power of 4 is equals to 625 minus 3 to the power of 4 is equals to 81, and we check that is this equals to 544 or not. So when we subtract both of these two values, we clearly get 544 equals to 544. This shows that both of the sides are equal when we take m equals to 4. So this means that the value of m equals to 4 is satisfied our given question statement, so that finally we have the solution set of this question is m is equals to 4. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.